Welcome to the LoanMod Pro tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to enter your information to get it ready for your lender or bank. First, go ahead and double click on the loan modification solution icon. Click on the screen here. The first step is to click on the client loan profile icon. The second step is to click insert. Now you can enter in your information. Go ahead and enter in all the appropriate fields. The first mortgage company would be your current lender or bank, such as Wells Fargo. Go ahead and put how long you've been working in months. Thus 2 years would be 24 months. Go ahead and put your property address in this tab here. If there is someone else on the loan, go ahead and put their information here. You can also add notes in the hardship notes section. Now your general details will appear here in this window. You can find out how much your house is worth by clicking on the comparables button here. Now for each tab here, you would enter in the appropriate information, such as assets. If you have any types of assets, you would insert them in here by clicking insert. Click on this icon here. Then you would go ahead and click insert again. An example of an asset. Go ahead and put the estimated value of your asset. This would appear here. Any other assets you would go ahead and enter in this area. For your household expenses, go ahead and click insert. Go ahead and click this logo here. Go ahead and click on fill by default values. This would select pre-selected values you can enter in for your expenses. You would select one, double click on it, and enter in the amount for your monthly expenses. You can go back and click insert. Select this icon here. Then you would select an appropriate expense and either click select or double click on the appropriate selection. Go ahead and fill in all your household expenses in this area. Once you are finished with this area, proceed to the household income. Here you would put your household income information by clicking insert, this icon here. Go ahead and click on this area here, and this would show the pre-selected areas where you can select for your household income. You can either double click on the selection or click select. Once you are done entering your household income, go ahead and move on to mortgage and debts. Go ahead and click insert and enter in your total amount due on your home. For the first mortgage, go ahead and put the payment that you pay every month. If you are late, that would be yes or no, and how many months you are behind, and your current rate. If you have a second mortgage, you can also put that here. you have any credit cards that you pay on every month, you can insert that in here as well by simply clicking insert and go ahead and put the credit card information, your total debt, and the monthly payment. You can add as much credit cards as you want in this area. On the questionnaire area, go ahead and click on it and click insert. Go ahead and go through each question pertaining to the loan modification. You would put your answer on the right hand side by double clicking on it and typing in your answer. Once you are done with the questionnaire, you move on to loan modifications. And the loan modifications tab will give you options, and it will show you which interest rates you can afford and at what payments for different loan programs. Simply click insert and your different loan options will show up in this area here. For an interest only loan, these are the payment options you can afford for this particular loan program based on your income and expenses. For a 30-year fixed, these are the rates and the payments which you can afford based on your incomes and expenses. Same thing for the 40-year fixed. This will give you a rough idea of what you can afford in the loan modification arena. When you're done with this tab, simply click the next button here. And in this area here, you can store your documents pertaining to your loan modification or any other documents such as W-2s, pay stubs. You simply click insert. You give the document a name. You would click load document. And you would select the file and simply click save. Now that document will load here and it will save it in the software for you. This is a great way to stay organized when you are doing your loan modification. Once you are finished with this tab, go ahead and click the next button. And the other property section is if you have any additional properties that you would like to include, since the lender or bank would want to see if you own any other properties such as rental income or second home or third home that you use for rental. Simply click insert and you can insert the additional property addresses here by typing them in the appropriate section. Select what type of property it is. Single family residence. Type in how much you owe on the particular property, how much the gross rental income is per month, how much you pay on the mortgage on the home, if you have insurance, taxes, and your rental income. This will be saved in this section. You can add unlimited amount of properties in this area.